welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. If you guys are looking for something quick, simple, fun, and delicious pasta dish recipe, then this is the recipe for you. Today, let's cook sausage pasta. So yes guys, if you are looking for ideas for a quick dinner or quick lunch recipe, then this sausage pasta recipe is a good idea. This pasta dish is very delicious, yet very easy to do. So let's get cooking. So guys, for the recipe that we'll be doing today, the ingredients that we need are, of course, our pasta. And this is a very fun pasta. It's called rotini. And this is not a sponsored video, but guys, ito nga pala yung brand na nire-recommend ko, Barilla. Kasi kahit pakuluin mo siya, hindi siya naglo-lose ng kanyang shape. And of course, gagamit tayo ng Italian sausage. Kung gusto nyo naman ng medyo may heat yung sausage na gagamitin ninyo, you can go for a spicy Italian sausage. But since kakainin ito ng aking anak at ng hindi masyadong mahihilig sa maanghang dito, gagamit tayo ng sweet Italian sausage, okay? And then, gagamit din tayo ng whole tomatoes, of course, sugar, grated Parmesan cheese, onions, whole milk, and of course, yung ating oil to saute yung ating ingredients. So, let's get started. So, guys, our first step is to cook our pasta. So, yan, lalagyan lang natin siya ng maraming salt. Okay. And then, depende sa inyo kung gaano karami yung pasta na lulutuin nyo. So, ayan. Yan lang karami yung akin. Lagyan pa natin. Okay, and then, haluin lang natin. Ayan. So, yung sunod naman nating step, so we have our sausages here. Buksan ko lang yung ating package. And then, kunin natin yung sausage. Tatanggalin natin yung laman niya sa loob. So, hindi natin isasama yung pinakabalat ng sausage. So, kailangan lang natin yung mismong laman sa loob. Ayan. So, yan guys, natanggal ko na siya sa casing. So, magluluto na tayo. So guys, on our heated pan, maglalagay lang tayo ng oil. Okay, and then, let's sweat the onions. So once our onions are ready, we can put in our sausage. Yan, medyo baklas-baklasin lang natin siyang ganyan. So maybe you guys are wondering bakit Italian sausage yung ginamit natin. Kasi yung Italian sausage, it's full of flavor. Meron siyang herbs and of course meron na siyang seasoning. So literally kompleto na yung ingredients natin dun pa lang sa Italian sausage. So yan guys, once na nag-brown na yung ating sausage, let's put our pasta. Ayan. And then of course, ihahalo lang natin. Ayan, para ma-coat yung ating pasta ng mga juices na nalaglag dun sa ating sausage. So, ayan. So, afterwards, we can add yung ating whole tomatoes. So, this is our whole tomatoes. And, hindi natin ilalagay muna yung mga sabaw. Okay, ilalagay muna natin yung tomatoes lang muna. So, yan guys. Once na nalagay natin yung tomatoes, smash lang natin siya. So, yan guys. Our next step, ilalagay na natin yung ating milk. This is whole milk. Okay. Ihalo lang ulit natin. And then, hahayaan natin siyang kumulo for about mga 2 to 5 minutes. So, yan guys. Once na kumukulo na, maglalagay tayo ng konting sugar. And depende to kung gaano nyo katamis gusto yung inyong pasta. Halo lang. Then again, hintayin natin kumulo for like 1 more minute. So yan guys, maglalagay lang ako ng konting pepper. Then again, halo lang ulit. And then for our last and final step, maglalagay lang tayo ng Parmesan cheese. Halo lang natin. And then we are done. Plate na natin and it's tikiman time. Guys, ready na ang ating sausage pasta. Ito na siya. Yan, umuusok-usok pa. Ang bango. It's tikiman time. Guys, ready na kayo? Mainit pa. Isa pa. With our tomato. Ang sarap ng sausage. Perfect ang ating pasta. Perfect ang tamis. Sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. Guys, before I end this video, I want to give a special shout out to my son. It's my son's 4th birthday today. Happy birthday, my lovey Lucas. I love you so much. And that's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating very simple sausage pasta recipe. And sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. If you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. See you guys again. Bye!